popular Mount Chiefs, Minister of all countries. I am writing this letter to you to tell you that I have choice the right partner for my life and that you is it took me a lot of thinking and after that I have come up with decision. I have proposed you to become my better half. I am sure that you would be perfect in every way for me. It's been quite some times now, and we have been taking to each other. Also, the meeting that we have hid in the post our movements crash forever. This take this is later is marriage proposal. Also, now that you know my answer, I will be eagerly waiting for your reply and decision on the same. Please reiterating as soon as possible as will be eagerly waiting for it. Good evening, my lovely fans. All over to world will take a moment to appreciate the beauty around you and crash the moments and with your love. Once the way you smile, laugh, eating, speak, everything you do bring me to so much happens. Being with you keeps me going, especially during those time. I want to give you all my attention because you deserve it and so much more. I think it was raining when you were born. It is because heaven was caring after all the send of loving and beautiful. Just wanted to let you know how thankful I am for coming and staying in my life. You have celebrated with me on good times and are supporting through the bad times. I will value all the moments we have spending together. Words are needed to enough to tell you how happy I am. So fortunating to have someone like you beside me. All the things you have done for me never going unnoticed. I don't know what is something I got did the someone like you. I am forgive grateful for you supporter career affection. Please stay as you the because you are the best. You are my dream come true. My fairy cake ending and my happily every after you are love has brought so much joy and beauty into my life. Every moment with you is a moment I trust you are deeply. You are the most amusing persons I have every meet. You are love as a transformator in my life. Ways never thoughts possible. Every moment with his trust you are, and I am so grateful for your love. Your love is like a warm embrace that I never want to let go of. You have a way of making me feel safe, love, and crested every moment with you is a moment I trust you are deeply. You are my sunshine and one cold day, my warmth in the cold, and my joy into times of sorrow. I love you more with each passing day. Knowing what I can make you smile is the greatest gift. Could every ask for my beloved Queen? You are the upquestion smile of beauty, the essence of elegance, and the importing of love. You are easy sparkle like diamond. You are lips curve like a rose, and you are touch igniting a fire the bronze deep within my souls. Every moment I spend with you, gift every kiss is treasure and every whisper I promise for you. You are the melody that fills my heart with joy, the rhythm that makes me life. Singing your love is symphony of sweetness, a harmony of happiness and cross of possession. You are the missing praises that makes me whole, the missing bite that make my heart sing. I am forever grateful to have you my side, my love forever. You are my coins. I promise to always crashing, honoring and honoring you are. I will be you are rock, you are shelter, and you are safe. I have promised to love you with all my heart and my souls now forever. You are my everything, my reasons being and my soulmate. I love you more than works expresses. My coin Prince Faza, my trust in you is unbreakably. I believe in your words and actions, knowing, interesting and hard you mean the world to tell me. I want to hold you close. I just want to running and whenever I rip my arms around you, I wanted to let you go. I wish moment never ends. I love you so dearly. You make my heart races, my lips, I smiles. I feel like totally dedicating to you, and I know this is the feeling that will last forever. You have leave me. Supplicing and trial cannot see much. I love you Just nothing matters without you. Thank you for lifting me when I was at my worst. Thank you for being a pillar of referring in times of trouble.